الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once a companion radiallahu ta'ala anhu was passing by a bush. He radiallahu ta'ala anhu heard the chirping of the offspring of a sparrow from the bush. He went close to them and having grabbed the offspring of the sparrow, he placed them in his shawl. In the meantime, the mother sparrow of these children arrived and began circling the head of that companion. He radiallahu ta'ala anhu opened the shawl. The sparrow mother came down and sat with her children. That companion, having folded the shawl over all of them, presented himself in the blessed court of the beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala علیہ وآلہ وسلم and relate the entire account. The Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, "Open it." Placing the shawl on the floor, he radiallahu ta'ala anhu opened the shawl, but the sparrow did not separate from its offsprings. The beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam said, "Are you surprised at the love and kindness of this sparrow onto its offspring? Indeed, Allah Almighty is even more gracious on His people than this sparrow." Then the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Take them back to the extent that you put them back where you picked them up from." The mother stayed with them and the companion took them back. So dear children, we came to know from this story that a mother loves and protects her children so much. That's why we should also take lots of care of our mother, listen to what she says and do not annoy her. Allah Almighty is more gracious on His people even than their mother. Therefore, we should also love Allah Almighty and avoid performing those actions that lead us to disobey Him. May Allah Almighty grant us ability to do so. Ameen. Bijahi Nabiyil Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.